This is the GB Pockit Air All-Terrain. So here you see the sun visor that you can easily adjust however you want it in what position you want. And it has UPF 50 protection. So your child is going to be nicely protected. When you look inside of the seat, you see here the breathable mesh. This mesh fabric will allow some air circulation that is most comfortable for your child. The front wheels, you have these two little buttons, so you can unlock the front wheels so that you have them in swivel mode, and this way it will make your ride more comfortable when it's on a flat surface. But on an all-terrain surface, a little bit more rough terrain, you're gonna prefer to have it in the locked position. The amazing part about the stroller is that it's ultra lightweight. This thing only weighs 10.3 pounds, which is pretty amazing, and also the ultra compact fold. Let me show you. You just push these two buttons and you go down. You lock it in the middle, up, and that's it. There you go. To unlock it, you have here this little hook. You just unhook this, throw the stroller out, push the two buttons again, and go back up. Put sun visor, and you're good to go. The seat has a capacity from 6 months and going all the way up to 55 pounds. This was actually the normal everyday today fold. When you want to have it even more compact, let's say you're flying with the stroller and you want it to have it as small as possible, that is also possible. Then you just push these two buttons, lock the wheels in, 1, 2, that's it, and then you do exactly the same thing. Just push the two buttons, go down, lock it in again in the middle, and you're good to go. Then it's even smaller. To unlock it, you have this little hook, just open it up, draw out, push the two buttons again, and go back up. Put your canopy back, and you're good to go. So we have a nice accessory, this little bag where you can put the stroller in once you fold it, and then you just put it over your shoulder and you're good to go.